In the next 5 years, your job may disappear without warning. Not because you failed, not because you were lazy, but because a machine learned to do your job faster, cheaper, and without sleep. AI is no longer coming. It's already here, quietly reshaping offices, factories, hospitals, and homes. By 2030, millions of jobs will vanish, millions more will be reborn. The real question is not if work will change, it's whether you lines be ready when it does. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand who wins, who loses, and how to survive the biggest workplace shift in human history. For decades, technology replaced muscle. Machines lifted heavier loads, computers calculated faster numbers. But AI does something different. It replaces thinking. Algorithms now write emails, analyze legal documents, diagnose diseases, design buildings, trade stocks, and create art. Tasks once believed to require human intelligence are being automated silently. No protests, no announcements, just software updates. And unlike past revolutions, this one doesn't stop at factories. It enters offices. If you think AI only threatens low-skilled jobs, that belief could cost you everything. AI doesn't replace jobs, it replaces tasks. That's why white-collar workers are now in danger. Jobs at high risk include data analysts, accountants, customer service agents, paralegals, junior programmers, content writers, and most administrative roles. If your work follows predictable patterns, AI can learn it, and it doesn't ask for a raise. This is the first time in history where education alone is no longer a guarantee of protection, but while some jobs are dying, others are about to explode. AI is powerful, but it has limits. It struggles with human judgment, emotional intelligence, creativity under uncertainty, and moral responsibility. That's why the fastest growing roles are ones that leverage these uniquely human skills: AI supervisors and ethicists, engineers who build and maintain AI, healthcare professionals who provide genuine care, skilled tradespeople, creative directors, and forward-thinking educators and strategists. The future doesn't belong to people who fight AI, it belongs to those who work with it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. By 2030, there will be two types of workers: those who learn to adapt, and those replaced by people who did. AI is creating a new class system. This isn't about rich versus poor. It's about the adaptable versus the replaceable. Workers who understand AI will work faster, earn more, and control more leverage in their careers. Those who ignore it will face job insecurity, lower wages, and constant stress. This divide won't happen suddenly. It will happen quietly, one automation at a time, one role at a time, until the landscape has completely shifted under your feet. So what can you do before it's too late? The future of work rewards 3 core skills. First, learning speed. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to adapt and learn new things matters more than what you already know. Second, your human advantage. This includes communication, leadership, creativity, and empathy, the very things machines can't replicate. Third, AI literacy. This isn't about learning to code. It's about understanding how AI works, what it can do for you, and how to use it as a powerful tool to amplify your own abilities. Remember, AI will not replace humans. Humans using AI will replace humans who don't. So what does 2030 really look like? Careers will change multiple times over a lifetime. Freelancing, contract work, and remote work will become even more dominant. The idea of lifelong employment with one company will be a relic of the past. Learning will no longer be something you do for a few years in school. It will be a constant, lifelong process. Work won't disappear, but the very meaning of work will transform. Those who prepare now will thrive in this new environment. Those who wait will struggle to catch up. Every generation faces a moment that defines its future. For our generation, that moment is AI. The machines are not asking for permission. They are already learning, already evolving, already working. The only question left is this: will you control the future of work, or will it control you?